Good day to my future employer, Madam, Sir. My name is Handy V. Doloroso. I am 33 years old. I am single with no children. My height is 154 centimeters. My weight is 66 kilograms. And I am from Davao del Norte, Philippines. My religion is Catholic. We are 8 children in the family. I have 2 brothers and 5 sisters, and I am the sixth-born child. My mother is Lorna V. Doloroso. She is a farmer. My father is Wilfredo M. Doloroso. He passed away 2 years ago. My highest educational attainment is a 2 year textbook program in hotel and restaurant services. Applying abroad is my first time. Yet, I have 2 years of experience as a house helper for a local family of 3 here in the Philippines, from February 2022 to February 2024. I took care of a 1-year-old boy. I am very experienced on feeding, bathing, and playing with him. I also make sure his things like bottles and toys are always clean and sanitized. I am very patient, loving, and I always prioritize the safety of the child. Aside from the child care, I also did the housekeeping, cooking, laundry, and ironing. I am a hardworking person, responsible, organized, and I am eager to learn new skills and learn how to cook Chinese dishes. I understand the importance of following instructions carefully and maintaining a harmonious relationship with the family. I don't smoke, I don't drink alcoholic drinks, I don't have any tattoo in my body, I don't have skin allergies, and I have no history of long-term medication use. I want to support my family back home while giving my best service to your family. Since I am single, I can focus fully on my work and your family's needs. I promise to be honest, respectful, and to finish my contract with you. With the strong support of my family, I am confident that I can dedicate myself fully to the role. Thank you for your time, and I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.